Boy, am I gonna scare everybody. Woo! 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 Woo!
Hey, Andy Panda.
What's up, Smedley?
Here comes Woody, dressed like a ghost.
I wonder what he's up to this time.
Guess he thinks he can fool us. Hey, gang, get ready. Woody's coming. Woody's coming.
I can hardly wait.
Me either.
Let's give him a trick or treat.
No treats, just tricks.
Woody's coming. Quiet! Quiet, everybody! Here he comes!
Trick or treat.
Okay, fellas, turn it on!
I said trick or treat. Something phony around here. I'm getting all the tricks and no treats. Aw, come on. Open up. Trick or treat. Hey, it's me, your old pal. Okay, that's enough tricks, wise guys. Trick or treat. So it's tricks they want? I'll show them.
Going right through the wall!
It's me. Hey, gang, look. It's Woody.
Woody?
Woody?
Woody who?
Woody Woodpecker.
You're just in time for the big party.
We're gonna do the Spook-A-Nanny.
The Spook-A-Nanny?
Yeah, the Spook-A-Nanny.
What are we waiting for? All set, let's go.
Spook, 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 Spook-A-Nanny. Ghosts and goblins dancing all around. Spook, 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 Spook-A-Nanny. Haunting all the houses in town. Spook, 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 Spook-A-Nanny. Jack-o'-lanterns laughing with delight. Spook, 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 Spook-A-Nanny. Anything can happen tonight. Here come the witches, flying on the sticks, hanging from their brooms a bag of tricks. Strange things can happen before your very eyes. Magic tricks, you'll be surprised. Spook, 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 Spook-A-Nanny. I'll salute and give you quite a scare. Spook, 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 Spook-A-Nanny. If the moon is hiding, beware. Spook, 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 Spook-A-Nanny. Ghosts and goblins dancing all around. Spook, 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 Spook-A-Nanny. Dancing on the ceiling upside down. Spook, 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 Spook-A-Nanny. Grinning pumpkins in the window glow. Spook, 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 Spook-A-Nanny, watching out for gremlins to show. Watch out for black cats when they're on the prowl, scaring everyone but the wise old owl. Stop, look, and listen when the moon is bright. Better wear your mask tonight. Spook, 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 Spook-A-Nanny, ghosts and goblins dancing all around. Spook, 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 Spook-A-Nanny, haunting all the houses in town.
You know, kids, Halloween is a time that's supposed to be fun for everyone, kids and grown-ups. So enjoy yourself. But remember to be polite when you ask for treats, and don't play tricks that are harmful. Help make Halloween a night that everyone will enjoy.
Spook, 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 Spook-A-Nanny, ghosts and goblins dancing all around. Spook, 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 Spook-A-Nanny,
Haunting all the houses in town. Thanks for the party, boss.
Kellogg's cereals, the best to you each morning, has presented the Woody Woodpecker Show.
Goodbye now.
See you on our next show.
spook, 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 Spook-A-Nanny, ghosts and goblins dancing all around. Spook, 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 Spook-A-Nanny, haunting all the houses in town.